Good morning, children. This is Shilpa here. In today's session, we will learn usage of prepositions. Okay, let's start.
So, what is the meaning of prepositions, dear kids? Preposition is a word that tell us about a position of person, place, animal or thing. Okay? Here see, we have some more examples. So, let's get started. We have a cat. You will have to identify the position of the cat. Here, the cat is on the box. Yes? The cat is between two boxes. Children, the cat is above the box. The cat is in front of the box. Observe the pictures. The cat is in the box. Where is the cat? Cat is under the box. Yes. The cat is behind the box. Near the box. The cat is below the box. The cat is beside the box. Okay? Dear kids, it is on the box, between the box, under the box, in front of the box, behind the box, beside the box, near the box, below the box and above the box. Here, on, between, under, in front, behind, beside, near, below and above are the prepositions. Okay? So, these words are called prepositions. Understood?
So, children, I hope all of you understood the usage of prepositions in the proper places. Okay? See, all of you open page number 71 in the grammar book. Lesson number 19, position words. That means prepositions. Words which show position of persons, places, animals or things are called position words or prepositions. Understood, children? So, let's start the blank session. Which is the suitable position word? Here we have given one hint box. Use this hint box and fill these following blanks. Okay? First, observe the picture, children. Here see, the boy is sleeping on the bed. Okay? Where is the bed? It is behind the door. Yes. Where is the cat? It is under the table. Yes. Next one. Where is the bed lamp? It is near the bed. Nearest. See, observe. Yes. Where are the books? They are on the table. Okay. So, where is the positions of things or places or animals tells that one is called preposition. Understood, children? So, let's start the blank session. First one. Where is Prem? Prem. The name of the boy is Prem. Where is the Prem? He is sleeping on a bed. Yes. Is it right? So, here we used on. Next one. Where is the bed lamp? Where is the bed lamp, children? It is near the table. Yes. Next one. Where are the books? Already we observed They are on the table. Where is the cat? It is under the table. Yes, check once. Yes, it is under the table. Where is the bat? It is behind the door. Once observe. Yes, behind the door. It is behind the door. Where is the ball? It is on the floor. Yes, see here. It is on the floor. That's why we use on preposition. Where is the picture? Observe here. This is picture. Yes, where is it? It is on the wall. Okay? We use here on preposition, children. Yes, moving on to next page. Page number 67. See children here. Underline the right preposition. Okay? Remember it. A preposition usually has a noun or pronoun after it. Okay? Here observe, the bird flew over the roof of the house. In the roof of the house, not correct. Okay? Over. We use here over preposition. Understood? The boy is at the bus stop. In the bus stop, not correct, children. Why? Because we specify here particular place, bus stop. That's why we use here at preposition. Next one. Mummy and Daddy got married in 1998. Children, keep it in the mind. Whereas year before we use always in preposition only. Understood? In 1998. I was born on 4th July. Why children, here we choose on preposition, whereas month with date, those words before we use always on preposition. Okay? Keep it in the mind. Month with date. Okay? Next one. Girls play with dolls. Okay? With. Girls play with dolls. Which one to play, girls? With dolls. Understood? Ram spoke to Ravi on the phone. Okay, children. Here, the conversation between two people. That's why we use on preposition only, not only one person. Understood? Mani wakes up at 6 o'clock every morning. This is very important, children. Keep it in the mind. Whereas particular time we tell that before we use always at preposition only. Okay? Moving on to next one. The sun sets in the evening. In the evening, in the morning, in the afternoon. Whereas time tells we use in preposition like this: evening, morning, afternoon. Okay? Mummy serves dinner at night. Particular time, night. Okay? At night we use at preposition only. Suresh comes home from school 4 o'clock. Where Suresh comes from school, where the place is starting, we use from preposition. Okay? Already we know that time, particular time, 4 o'clock. So, 4 o'clock before we use at preposition. Understood? Next one. Where are they? Meena is playing hide and seek with her friends. You know the hide and seek game very well, children. It is very interesting game. Yes. She is looking for them. Where are they hiding? Use in, behind, under, between. See here, some pictures are given for us. So, under the pictures, they given the sentences also. So, use these prepositions and fill these blanks. Okay? In, behind, under, between. Okay, children? See the first one. Samir hid under the bed. Where is Samir? Under the bed. That's why we use here under preposition. Okay. Second one, see. Geeta hid in the big basket. Where is Geeta? In the big basket. We use here in preposition only. Okay. See the next one. Third one, fourth one. Observe the picture, children, and use these hints in the bracket and fill the blanks. Okay. That's all for today's session, children. Read and practice grammar in lesson number 19, prepositions.
Thank you everyone.